This is the orange deck elevator.
Oh
I'm doing it.
no. Oh no. 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 I don't like this. No.
I want to go back down there. You can take the stairs. This will make for an interesting video. If you want to actually see the interior, here's what it looks like.
That.
What's the other floor pass?
Boy. Get me off of this thing before it decides to eat me. I know it's gonna happen. Just
We're free. I'll probably make the other one a separate video. Well, that was entertaining.
alright.
Gnarly doors. And that's it.